Hey everybody, Chris here. Is a big Dogecoin price rally ahead? We're going to explore that in this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell. You can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. And we were talking about these buy signals during the live stream on Monday, going through analyst after analyst after analyst, including one Chris Pax, crypto analyst as well, predicting a buy signal now and price rally soon. So let's get into it. Let's take a look at the news and the charts, and I'll show you what I'm looking at. So after a dip overnight on the Dogecoin chart, we do have this coming back up to 12.5 cents. Yes, at the live stream on Monday, we were talking about this magnet, and 12.5 cent line appears to be this magnet for Doge over the past couple weeks. And here Doge is approaching that line yet again. Zoom back out on the 4-hour chart, and we see this sideways action for 2 weeks, and we are experiencing higher lows. So that is a sign that Doge is moving up. Overall, if you saw my July price prediction video for Doge, you see that we are in this giant wedge form and that the price rally will commence, and we will soon break out of this declining wedge. That's the overall view on Doge. And on Bitcoin, we are still watching this reverse head and shoulders play out on the Bitcoin chart, and we will see whether that trend continues. Join me on my next live stream Wednesday. I will starting sometime between 4 and 5 o'clock on Wednesday afternoon. That's East Coast time, US time. So be sure to tune in for that, and we'll be covering live this next move up if that continues. So sticking with Bitcoin, we had another good day yesterday on the spot ETFs. Yes, after numerous days in a row where there were more outflows than inflows, negative on the spot ETFs. I don't know why all these paper hands are selling, but they were. We now have buying. That's right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consecutive days now of more buying than selling for spot ETFs. And in fact, yesterday, everybody was buying. There was no selling going on. Even Grayscale didn't sell any. So that is positive for Bitcoin. And look, zoom out, right? When in doubt, zoom out and look at the big picture going all the way back to 2017. This is where we are on Bitcoin. This is where we are in this Bitcoin chart right here. And look at this wedge. Yes, a giant declining wedge as well on Bitcoin after the latest price move up end of March to 73,000. This is coiling up for what is eventually going to be this next big move up. So Titan of Crypto is looking at these golden crosses. Now these are a 2-month, this is a 2-month chart, and this is the 20-month moving average and the 21 exponential moving average, where there have been crosses before. We are having that cross again now. And after each one in the past, 2013, 2017, and then late 2020, these were always followed with big runs up in the price of Bitcoin. And we are experiencing that right now. Last 3 occurrences that sent Bitcoin much higher. Could this be what we're looking at? Meme coins, yes. This has still been the narrative of 2024 of meme coins. SHIB hasn't really made its move yet. It's waiting. Pepe started its big run last year. We've got WIF and we've got Bonk. We've been following those. Book of Meme keeps edging its way into the top 100. But what about Doge? What about Doge? So we'll be looking at that in a minute, but we also see investors shifting to utility tokens, and we are seeing blockchain cryptos moving as well. Particularly, what's been happening is Cardano, yes, Cardano is now moving up. And this has been long awaited for Cardano's move. And Doge better be careful because Cardano may catch up to Dogecoin in total market cap if Cardano keeps pushing up as it has been. Algorand also waking up and making a big move up as well. So we're seeing some other altcoins start to make moves, which to me is starting to signal a move toward this altcoin season. The memes will do what they do. Doge, though, Doge is still waiting. Still going to be around this 12.5 cent mark. We'll see whether this move up here will come up any higher and possibly retest 12.5 cents as support. But is Dogecoin primed for a price rally? Here's what indicators suggest. Yes, the buy signal, again, we were talking about this during the live stream on Monday. All of these buy signals, TD sequential, MV/RV ratios, things like that. But ANB Crypto has yet another one that we've been looking at. We're inviting the bulls to the Dogecoin party. This is coming. We've got sentiment finally starting to move in the positive zone. It has been very bearish over the past few months, and I understand that. When Dogecoin went up to 22 cents back in late March, we were all very excited about Dogecoin's price and continuing to move up, and that did not happen. As predicted, we would have a post-Bitcoin having lull, and that did happen, and it happened even more negative to Dogecoin than Bitcoin, though we do have key indicators suggesting it might be the right time to be building up your Doge portfolio. TD sequential, we talked about yesterday on the live stream. On-chain metrics are looking at what's ready to pump. Doge's MV/RV ratio improved sharply last week. Bullish signal. And the Doge's funding rate turned red. Generally, prices tend to move the other way, the opposite way than the funding rate, further indicating a price increase. So, we know that open interest had dropped before, but it is time for that to turn around as well. TradingView's data revealed that the MACD displayed the possibility of a bullish crossover. That is coming right here with this bullish crossover. And the relative strength index registered a downtick, and that could then turn around as well. This is all pointing to buying opportunities for Dogecoin with the price rally ahead. What could that bull run be? Is it 1,500% gain? I mean, Kalea was saying, look out, guys. Dogecoin has done this before. Big runs, 2017, 2021, 2024 into 2025 could be that next one. For those of you who say Doge is boring, for the most part, you're right. Out of its 10.5-year existence, 9.5 years of that time, Doge has trended either sideways or down. But that other 1 year, spread out over the last runs, it had one run that pumped 6,000% from the lows and another that pumped more than 30% from the lows. Do you want to be out of Doge when that next pump happens? Kaleo's significant bullish outlook stems from what he terms as the meme coin supercycle. We are still in a meme coin supercycle, therefore posing Dogecoin for a significant surge, aligning with historical trends that depict that Dogecoin could reach between $1 and $2. Kaleo believes that Dogecoin's big rally is likely to occur in the near future. So that is what we're looking at for Doge. Will it make up that gain? Will it get to $2? And I say, look, let's slow down. Let's get to $1 first before we're talking about $2. We got a long ways even to go there. So despite the bullish outlook, bottlenecks are ahead. that might suppress the rally, and we've been talking about them, how hard it's going to be for Doge to get up to those levels. The short sellers will be out. We really need that big catalyst for Doge to make that move. And we're patiently waiting. We're patiently waiting. But again, you don't want to be out of Doge when that huge price rally begins. We will have retail traders coming in. There'll be a lot of excitement behind Doge. And if you're out of it, you'll be FOMOing in, most likely, a higher price. So overall, Dogecoin recovering again this morning. We will look and see whether, again, this 12.5-cent magnet that we've had for the past couple of weeks continues to hold. Join me on the live stream on Wednesday as we follow up on this move and look ahead for the long extended holiday weekend. We won't have any stock trading on Thursday for the 4th of July United States celebration, but we will be live again on Friday as well, following live stream. Holiday in many places still the day after 4th of July, and usually low volume of trading happening, but we do generally see price increases on 5th of July, and that has happened on the stock market, and we've seen it in crypto as well. So we'll be watching that going this week. Price rally ahead following. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think about buy signals? Is this the bottom? Or is it only up from here? Let me know. Give the video a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.